Welcome to Try Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and today's video is a review of the Linksys Velop Pro 7 tri-band mesh system. But first, I need to thank Linksys and Best Buy for giving me this product to review. Now, I got an early release of these a couple years ago and did an unboxing, and unfortunately, the review fell through the cracks. So here we are now. I'll give you a closer look and then give you my review. Check these out.
Wi-Fi 7 true tri-band router allowing 6, 5, and 2.4 gigahertz all at once. This maximizes all the bands, delivering higher reliability, faster throughput, and lower latency. Automatic 6 GHz and 5 GHz failover, stream multiple 8K and 4K videos at the same time, video chat without interruption, game with real-time responsiveness, download 2 full-length videos in less than 25 seconds. Here on the back are 4 1 gigabit per second ports to connect your wired devices, and 1 2.5 gigabit per second internet port to support fast internet service providers. Wi-Fi 7 optimizes powerful 1.5 GHz quad-core processor sits inside this die-cast chassis and aluminum heat sinks. The bottom is hefty, allowing some stability. There's a reset button, reboot button, and on-off switch. Nodes have flexibility to be connected wired or wireless. Each node can get up to 3,000 square feet of coverage. A guest network is included too.
Review time. I like Linksys and have mostly used their products for my network. I already had their older mesh and I got these as a 3-pack to extend it. I was disappointed to find out though that these Velop Pro 7s were not compatible even though the box said they were. This ended up being fine. With the major coverage of each node, it wasn't necessary. I have the master node on my main floor. There's one upstairs and then there's one downstairs in the basement. The basement has the worst strength going through the flooring, but it still works. The house is over 3,000 square feet, but I can't see using less than 3 of these nodes and still maintaining performance. This upgrade increased my Wi-Fi speeds everywhere by 12 to 184 megabits per second. I also just recently upgraded to fiber internet, and these support those fast uploads and download speeds. I game, stream 4K, and upload content with no problems. The 2 issues I have with these is the lack of a USB port so that I'm able to plug in a network drive, which I used to be able to do on just my old school router, and the size. Like I said during the unboxing, my old nodes were much smaller, and I would have thought with the improvements in technology, these would be smaller than that, not bigger. Now, despite those 2 things, I like these, and I would recommend anyone with a big area, big house to get them. And that's that. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up with the questions. Do you like Linksys like I do? And I said it before, and unfortunately, I'm gonna say it again. Hey Linksys, when it comes to designing a smaller form factor on your new technologies, try trying harder.